Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hello, my name is Amanda and welcome to day 3 of the NYX Lippie Countdown Love, Lust, Disco series. If you guys are new to this series, I started this series about 3 years ago on my channel. Basically, long story short, I create a different makeup look for every single day of the advent calendar. They include a new lip color every single day, and so I create a makeup look to go along with them. And this is today's makeup look. Some of them are a little bit more natural, everyday wearing, and some of them really push me out of my comfort zone. See yesterday's if you don't believe me. So before we get into the video, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post a video. I'm going to be posting about 2 videos every day of December, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post a video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and join my Facebook page as well, Amanda's Lovely Little Fam. And yeah, without rambling on any further, let's just go ahead and get straight into the video. Happy day 3, you guys. Alrighty, let's go ahead and see what we are working with today. Oh. Day 3, we are working with one of their matte lipsticks in the color Alabama. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and apply this lipstick. It's like a really pretty red. Roll Tide, baby. Alright, so we have this nice red lip. I feel like this is like a really, like a perfect red. It's like that like juicy apple red, like, love. I'm like so close to catching on fire so many times in these videos. For this look, I really like when people do like a really bold lip with a really simple like shimmery eye look. So I think that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the James Charles palette just because I just want like a really basic, like a simple look. You know what? No, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette. Sorry. Going in with this baby. I am out of like the majority of light brown colors in this, but I always go into these colors here, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I am just gonna be kind of just using the majority, for the majority of the time I'm gonna be For the majority of the time in this video, I'm going to be using the same brush. So I'm going to be going in with the JH35 brush. I'm going to start in this color here and then just kind of make my way down through these colors, just kind of deepening my crease. This is very similar, I would say, to my everyday makeup look minus the red lip. I'm going to make it a little more shimmery. I don't usually do a whole lot of shimmer. I'm just going to carry this color down underneath just the excess colors on the brush underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab just a clean brush, so that I can make sure there are no harsh lines anywhere. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my, this is a blending brush, but I'm gonna go ahead and with some sparkle on it, my Sigma E25 brush. And I am gonna go ahead into these top two shimmers right here. I find that I like them best when I use them together. And I am just gonna go ahead into my inner corner and kind of drag that up onto my lid. Kind of doing like a really sloppy half cut crease because if you saw yesterday's video, we're not good at doing the whole cut crease. Oh my gosh, why does this look? It looks like I'm using like white on camera. Like it looks like really bright and it's just not. I'm going back in with the first brush, not adding any more product, and I'm kind of just like redefining where it was. I don't know why that looks so white on camera. Maybe instead I'm gonna take some of my highlight. I don't know why that's looking like that. It's kind of looking like that in person too, but I don't know why it's like coming out so white. I'm just cleaned off all of the everything on this brush, and I'm gonna go in with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. And I'm just going to go over where I just put all of that and kind of try and make it a little more shimmery, a little more gold looking. Because I don't know why that was just so white. Just if I zoom in a little bit more, you can tell it's a little more golden. And again, back in with that brush. I'm not adding any color to the brush, just blending it all out again. So I kind of want it just like that really light, airy, sparkly, like lightly bronzed look, because I want to kind of make the eye the pop, and then I'm debating adding some really poppin' lashes as well. I feel like that's kind of always a nice finish to like a simple look too. So let's see. I'm just gonna go ahead in and put on some mascara. And I'm gonna finish the rest of this off camera. I'm gonna throw on some lashes. I'll let you know what I use and we'll be right back. Alrighty, so I went ahead and added some lashes. I'm going to put on the screen which lashes they are because I don't have the box for them, but I have it in my phone somewhere. But we are losing daylight, so I am going to finish this up. I am going to go in with my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter and apply this on my cheekbones to really finish off this light and glowy look. I just feel like I look like a little Christmas elf, and that was the entire goal. So that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching day 3? We're on day 3. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down below so you don't miss 2 videos a day during the month of December. My vlogs are going to be starting up a little bit later. If you guys missed my whole explanation on that, be sure to go check out Vlogmas Day 1 on my channel. I'll also have it linked down below. But there will be a makeup look every single day, followed by 2 a day a little bit later into December. So, also be sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at AMANDALOUISE if you guys don't already. Be sure to turn on my post notifications there. I go live a bunch, and I will be going live extra during the month of December and January because I will be off of school for a little while. I'm also going to be posting pictures of all of my makeup looks with swipe up links. You guys can go and check them out whenever I post them. Be sure to also join my Facebook page, Amanda's Lovely Little Fam. Be sure to answer the questions so I am sure to accept you. And go ahead and follow me on Twitter as well at AmandaLouiseYT. I love you guys endlessly. Thank you so much for watching. Until tomorrow, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye!